Sealing your criminal record. What does it mean to seal a criminal record? Is your criminal record holding you back? You may be able to get it sealed to make some important changes in your life. And the best part, you can take the steps yourself without hiring an attorney to get your record sealed. This video will help you understand what it means to have your criminal record sealed and if you are eligible to do so. So, what does it mean to seal a criminal record? Usually, people talk about having their record expunged, which means completely erased, as if it never existed. No one will ever have access to it. In Ohio, that's not an option. Most adult convictions cannot be expunged. Ohio uses a court process called sealing a criminal record. Sealing your record can help you if you are applying for a license, seeking credit, applying for housing or a job. Sealed records should not show up on a background check, and you can treat that record like it never existed. If your record is sealed, you are within your legal rights not to reveal it on any applications or forms. When an adult criminal record is sealed, the general public and most employers and agencies cannot see it and have no knowledge it ever existed. It's important to know that the record still exists, but the record of the conviction or criminal charge is stored separately from unsealed records, and those who can see it are limited by law. There are several ways to seal criminal records, but first you must know what type of record you want sealed. Were you convicted? Was your case dismissed? Was there a not guilty finding on your record? To find out, you need to get a copy of your criminal record. If you don't have one, go to the clerk's or court's website for the court your case was handled in. If your county doesn't have online records, go to the clerk of court's office in the county where you were convicted or arrested. What records can be sealed? This is the big question and the most important in determining if you are eligible to seal your record. If you have been convicted as an adult of any of the following crimes, your record can never be sealed, even if it is your only conviction. Do you have a first or second degree felony conviction? A conviction with a mandatory prison term? An offense of violence conviction? Ohio law is very clear that these convictions can never be sealed. All criminal records, sealed and unsealed, are stored by the Ohio Bureau of Criminal Identification and Investigation, or BCI. To better understand record sealing, imagine all conviction records being stored in two filing cabinets by BCI, one labeled sealed and one labeled non-sealed. Anyone is allowed access to the non-sealed records. They are open to the public. The file holding the sealed criminal records are only open to limited officials and certain employers or agencies. By law, judges, prosecutors, police, employers in law enforcement, or employers working with children or the elderly are a few examples of those who are allowed access to a sealed record. Licensing agencies such as nursing boards, dental boards, and lottery commissions are other examples of those who can gain access to information about sealed records. Sealing a criminal record is not always a perfect fix. Sometimes, commercial background checking companies that have not updated their records may reveal a sealed record. If this happens, an attorney should be hired to make a legal claim against the company that provided the background check. If that happens, another video link is available to help you. Don't let your record hold you back from pursuing your dreams. We hope this video has helped you to understand what it means to seal a criminal record and if you are eligible to begin the process.